Let's have a look on the question from the unit DNF block element. Here we have to find out the magnetic moment of the chromium second ion. Means here the chromium is available in second oxidation state. So for this we must know about the atomic number of a chromium, which is a 3D element. First series का element है, transition element है. So it is a 3D element. ठीक है, 3D element है and that is chromium with the atomic number 24. ये इसका atomic number है and here it is available in a second oxidation state. Now अगर ये second oxidation state में है, first of all we must know how to write its electronic configuration. So let's see that what is the electronic configuration in a ground state. That is the argon, nearest inert gas है argon, and then 4s1 and 3d5. This is the exceptional case. Here the both shells are half filled. It is a more stable here. 24 इसका atomic number है and we are having 18 and then 19 and plus 5, that is a 24. ये ground state पे electronic configuration है and at second oxidation state what would be the electronic configuration? That is argon. Now we are not having any electron in the 4s, that is 0, and 3d4 because it is available at a second oxidation state. तो ये excited state पे electronic configuration है. Now unpaired electrons, unpaired electrons कितने हैं यहाँ पे? That is 4 only. Unpaired electrons are 4 because अगर मैं 4s बनाऊँ, 4s में कोई electron नहीं है and 3d 1 2 3 4 degenerate is having a 5 suborbitals. ये 4s है, ये 3d है and we are having 1 2 3 and 4. According to above principle, this is the way we can fill it. First we have to fill single. अगर हम ground state पे करते तो that is the 1 and degenerate the 1 2 3 4 5. तो इस तरह से ये ground state पे electronic configuration थी. We were having this what at a ground state and this is at excited state. How we can find out the magnetic moment? Magnetic moment, which is represented by mu, and it can be written as n plus 2 Bohr magneton. Here the n is here, that is n, unpaired electrons. So that is magnetic moment equal to 4 plus 2, which is equal to 4 multiplied with 6. And which is we are having a 24. अगर 25 होता तो we must have here a 5, but it is a 24 near about है, तो इसका जो Bohr magnet है that is approximately 4.2 Bohr magneton. Let's see which option is matching with our answer. So option जो A है that is a 4.90 and option B 5.92, which is not a possible at all because यहाँ पे unpaired 4 है, and C 2.84, which is not also possible, and D 3.87 Bohr magneton. So all the way the answer is approximately matching with our option A. So here option A is the correct one, and for this option A is the correct answer. So option A is correct.